I've seen very, very clever people. But unless you invest in people, you don't go very far in life. You have to invest in people. You've got to be good and fair with people. Not just invest, be fair with people. Even people who are weak, if you trust them, they become much better human beings. These children's books are very dear to my heart. And so get them in all languages. Wherever possible, we find partners. And all our things are free in the public domain. Anyone can use them. You don't need our permission. That's it. In 2002, Dulari went to Christian Medical College, Vellore. 2003, we came to. वाइफ की सुनीता की माँ अकेली रहती थी यहाँ पर, बड़े घर में रहती थी टिंगरे नगर में. We'll stay with her. No brothers, sisters, staying all alone. जैसे ही आया, नार्लिकर साहब ने कहा कि we are setting up a children's science center. तुम इधर आ जाओ. मैंने कहा देखो 50 साल की उम्र में I am not applying for a job. I am very happy doing whatever I do. Not सरकारी job at that. I don't want to sell my soul at the age of 50. I'll do what is close to my heart. He said, one thing, Arvind, the center is not set as yet. You can shape it. And I was just privileged, Ashok and Vidula within 3-4 months. It's October 2003. Saptaik Sakal mein Shobha wrote an article on me, which was a lead article, some 23 page. For years, people would carry that copy of it. It was a very magical article. People would come to me. I think Ashok and Vidula also carried a copy of Sakal and came to me. So I told Ayuka that I have found the people. They said, no, we can't hire them like this. It's a government organization. There should be a committee. We must, as government organization. So I said, please appoint a committee. And there were some 100 applications. We shortlisted 15. And I said, and the committee said, after interviewing, they are heads and shoulders above the rest. So that's how they came. Very small amount of money, 7,000 rupees from the Tata Trust. But every day we document it. We're not good scientists. Ayuka is full of great scientists. We're not very good at science, but we're good clerks of the best clerks of our times, best documenters. No one can beat us. Big organizations, no one can beat us. Every day some translation, someone is coming, and recognition of talent. So many good people. We just got 100 books in Marathi. No money exchange, or very little money exchange. 36 किताबें Asimov के, Isaac Asimov, which Sujata Godbole ji did. 36 books by Asimov we did. Over 100 books into Marathi. Just because good people came across you and you gave them a challenge, said something worth doing, and they were not interested in money. We got them and put everything. Every day 10-12,000 books are downloaded. We have crossed 75 million viewers of our website. Now, how many languages? 20 languages. Now you can get this in Marathi, in Hindi, in English. How do you get other people? Wherever we found partners. No money. Very fair, very honest. Due credits to everyone. Never call anyone works arts. Right? Honor other people. They are much greater people. But clerks, put them. Religious. Today on the archives, I have close to 9,000 books in the archives. And you must leave behind a good legacy for our children. Get them into these children's books are very dear to my heart because they give us very strong values in the children. And so get them in all languages. Wherever possible, we find partners. And all our things are free in the public domain. Anyone can use them. You don't need our permission. That's it. So it was a very glorious work. 11 years, initially I thought, what would I do in a government institute? But looking back, I think those are the most creative years where we documented solid documentation. We could beat, that's what I said in Ayuka, that worked in 25 countries, seen some of the best science. We don't compete with, they're not our role models at all. We had to blaze a new trail, set up our own benchmarks and do something which is relevant for our children. And now I retired. Our project was for 2 more years, but I decided, I had prostate cancer 7 years back. 42 rounds of radiotherapy, I would tire out. So I decided that in 2014 December, I'll put 2 years back. But 1 or 2 years I was in Pune, and that's the time when I had made a list of 25 books, which I thought that must come into Hindi. So now translating a 400-page book is no one is willing to read it. So one is to read it twice. Actually, you internalize the whole book, and then you write a summary in 40 pages, 30 pages. So it's not a translation at all. It's an intellectual exercise. And bring it out, because people don't have time to read 400. But this is the important message. I did the Aurobindo Eye Hospitals. I did many books like this. This is a jaunt. This I did. The other was that as a child, the only books I read were the Soviet books. 1 or 2 rupees on the roadside. My parents could only afford that. So my love for science, I owe to the Soviets, not the Americans. After 1990, the breakup of the Soviet Union, these books have just, Raduga, Malish, Mir, they've vanished from the face of the earth. So those 2 years, 700 books I scanned personally, borrowing it from Garware Bal Bhavan, from this library, from that library. New English School, Mone sir is the principal, he's my friend. Every week I would borrow 40 books, scan them, return them back. 700 books, Russian books I retrieved. But whatever your condition, whatever position you are, make best use of that situation and reinvent yourself, right? And do something very positive, which helps others and gives you a lot of joy. That's it. At this stage, people say, how much honorarium? I said, look, I have enough. I don't know what to do with my money. I have enough money to live by. Few years I have enough money. It's the time to write my will. And that's what I've got.